Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the ZOWIE EC2B, the CSGO edition. Reason why I bought this one, because number one, I want the newest sensor. Plus, I really don't have faith on the 3310. So, main reason why I went with this mouse is to try out, because I did try out the EC1A and I liked it, but then I really, again, love this one better. I like the EC2 series better than the EC1, so it works for me. So again, let's open up the unboxing right here, right now, and also let's see what's inside the box. So you see, nice and beautiful. This is the CSGO edition of the EC2B. They also have the EC1B as well. And also, I wanted to go with the big blue version of it because it looked nice. But then again, it will not match with my system, my setup right here. So let me grab something to open it up and see what's inside the box. So, got my handy dandy, boom. Okay, what we get in the box? Nothing in the box, and put it to the side. And here we go. Here's the mouse itself. So we're also going to see the major difference between these two. Hold on, let me open up again. Okay, that's done. And ooh, I already opened up the seal. Okay, which I didn't want to do that, but I can re-put it back on. So okay, I heard the button's supposed to be improved on the EC2B series. Also, they have new mouse feet as well compared to this one. They use a larger mouse feet. This one uses smaller mouse feet. But one of my favorite things that I really like about this mouse already is that they have two buttons instead of one button. So this is to adjust your pulling weight for 125, 500 hertz to 1000 hertz, and this one's your DPI, of course. Red, I believe, is okay. I can go reference with this. So basically, this is 800 DPI. This is 1600, which that's what I use. 3200, 400, 800 again. Vice versa, same thing, same color lights, which is nice. And also, the buttons are a lot more better than this. I kind of like that the scroll wheel doesn't light up, which that's nice. That's one of my favorite things as well. So let's see what else it comes with the packaging. Wow, it comes with extra mouse feet, and a lot of extra mouse feet. Comes with a ZOWIE sticker, as of course, and of course more information about ZOWIE. And also you also have right here a quick start guide or user guide to tell you how to set up the mouse, how to change the pulling weight, and also I believe you can change the lift off distance. So that is nice. So I'm really excited. Again, I'm going to show it to you guys closer. So you see it has the Counter-Strike logo. Basically, that's the wait. If I failed this, that is for the CSGO the counter-terrorists, which is nice. It's a little bit blue, and the ZOWIE logo is black. Compared to this one, it is red. Looks nice. Of course, it still has the BenQ. So basically, the only major difference is I heard the switches a lot more better, and of course you can easily get access to the pulling weight, because before with the old ones you had to unplug and replug it back in to adjust the pulling weight, which this kind of solved the problem. You don't have to disconnect to readjust your pulling weight. You can do it on the fly as well. The same thing with the DPI. So it uses a sensor difference is that this is using 3366, this one's using 3310. And let me put it side by side. No rattle, nothing. That's good. I'm happy with that already. So let's plug it in, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So bear with me 1 second. I'm going to plug it in. Okay, so the mouse is already plugged in, ready to go. Again, ZOWIE's been known for not needing software. Everything is hardware related, so you can adjust it on the fly. Of course, that's at 1000. You can easily adjust the pulling weight. That's 500. That's 125, and then backing that to 1000. And red means 400. purple means 800, blue is 1600, and the last stage, green, which is 3200 DPI. So I'm gonna leave at 800 when I'm at desktop use, and then when I play my games, I crank it up to 1600. So I am really happy about this. Feels really, again, almost uses the same material, but again, hopefully let's see how long the build quality lasts. So far so good. I'm really liking it better, but there's only one way to test out, is to get into games and try it out. I am going to do field testing. I'm also going to do a review of it as well. As always, any questions you guys want to ask me, you can ask those questions down in the comment section down below. And hope you guys will have a wonderful day, and goodbye, and be safe. I can promise you as well, I am going to get a better mic for this, but the only problem is with GoPro Hero 7 is that you need to get this freaking adapter that it is still sold out, because I don't know why, because of high demand. But anyway, take care guys, goodbye.